Well, being a professional fishing guide and boat captain, I started feeling a lot of pain, feeling a lot of loss of movement, and moving around the boat became more and more difficult. Trying to help clients on and off the boat was an issue, and they were actually helping me at times. If someone caught a fish, running up to the bow and trying to bend over and unhook it just became painful. And my clients started seeing that and saying, hey, what's the matter? What's going on with you? And I felt pain. At the end of the day, I was getting more and more tired, figuring like, what could it be? And at 51 years old, how could it possibly be my hips? I really didn't know at the time until I actually went to Dr. Zehr and found out that it was actually my hips. So after my initial visit to the office, we did some physical therapy, and we worked hard at that to see if that would remedy my pain and my range of motion with stretching, yoga, and that just didn't really come to fruition for me. And being a professional fishing guide and being in season here, we had to get on the water. Both hips were bad. I did the other one 34 days apart, which is totally uncharacteristic, but without that propeller turning on the boat, I can't put food on the table. So everybody in the office was so willing, giving. They just knew what was going on, how to do it, and they actually give you this big book that basically tells you step by step what's going to happen, what can happen. And it was going into surgery, I just knew what was there, so the anxiety level was so low. So after surgery, recovery was pretty, I don't want to say easy, but unexpectedly not painful. The pain was immediately gone. It was pain-free. So after working hard at physical therapy, believe it or not, only about 35 days later, I was back on the water working and providing for my family, pain-free, moving around the boat. And to this day, when I tell people I had bilateral hip replacement, they look at me like, are you kidding me? It's amazing. Or the clients that come back from last year and they see me now, they could tell there was definitely something wrong or something happening with me, and they realize that it's just night and day difference right now on how I am.